Hey Creative Design, what's up guys? I'm coming back at y'all today with a unboxing from Shein. I ordered a few dresses I think I have in this box. And then I start getting some stocking stuffers as well. So with the holidays approaching guys, we are going to unbox this. Let's see what we got. Been holding on to this box for a couple of days, but I need to get into more holiday decor. So I was like, let me get this out of the way. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go through everything in the box. We're gonna go one by one and I will show you guys what I've ordered because I don't really remember, but let's get into it and see what we got. All right, now ladies, when I opened this one, I realized it was not a dress. It is a skirt and top set that I ordered to go to work in or just to put on. It would be really, really cute with some thigh-high boots as well, some tall boots. I like the little split in it, guys. And the detailing, the black strip for me made it really, really cute. I actually thought I would send this back, but I think I plan on keeping this one. And I decided to go ahead and slip this on. Now, y'all, don't judge me. I was tired. I should have put on my slimmer, the skirt, and put on my Spanx so it would be smooth. But I wanted y'all to see it, so I popped it on so you could see it. Anyway, moving on to the next piece. I didn't put this dress on, guys. I think it's actually going to be too tight on me. And I didn't want to put it on because I had makeup on and the collar is white and I knew I would get it dirty. Anyway, it's really, really cute. It's kind of an off-the-shoulder gingham or houndstooth look, but this could be really, really cute. Boots, heels, you could dress it up, dress it down. But like I said, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to wear this one because it had very little stretch in it. So I will see once I don't have makeup on, but I couldn't put that one on for y'all because I knew what it was going to do. Makeup would be everywhere. Anyway, moving on to the next piece. Now, sometimes I'll get in a funky mood and order something different, and I start ordering patterns and colors. Now, typically, I don't do this because I'm a black girl all the way. If you know me, black is my favorite color. But I thought this with these geometric different shapes was so, so cute. I liked it for the winter, fall season. It wasn't too heavy. I could layer it with a sweater, some boots. And so that's why I ordered this piece, guys. And I actually really like the feel of the material. I put this one on for y'all too. Don't judge. I don't have a slimmer. You see your girl belly. Ooh, y'all, I got to hit the floor and do some sit-ups and some crunches. But anyway, I did like the fit. It's cute. It's going to do fine with my Spanx. On to the next piece, guys. Now, this one actually had a even more detailed print. But I like the green, guys. I'm getting to be a green girl as well. Love anything green, fashion, decor, clothes, everything. So that's why I ordered this one. It was busy, but I thought it could be really, really cute. And like I say, you could dress it up or down, put some neutrals on, jean jacket, boots, whatever you want to do. There go that belly again, y'all. I couldn't get rid of it. I was tired. I had eaten junk at work for a celebration for somebody's birthday. And, ooh, it was showing. But anyway, I ain't ashamed. We all got a little timing. Anyway, I refused to put on heels because I had gotten off work. And I did well just to even try these on for y'all. If you could feel the energy, you feel the energy. But I love y'all so much, I had to put these on and show y'all. I had got so silly. You could tell I was tired. Anyway, here we go with the next piece, guys. Now, this piece right here I thought was really, really cute because it's very, very versatile. So I bought this because to me, this gives me work vibes, business meeting, casual church Sunday, don't want to put on clothes, put on you some heels, put on you some nice jewelry, and make this work. Now, I didn't slip this one on either because it's cream. I know, I'm sorry, y'all. But just, I stood up so y'all could see it. This is a asymmetric shirt, and it lets your hip out on one side, and then it's some big leg pants. And I did try this on later, guys. It fit well. Really, really like it. I did keep this piece. So this is something that's cute. You can dress it up and make it work for you. Now, guys, I ordered a lot of jewelry because I'm going to use these for stocking stuffers. I didn't show you anything but this piece. But, y'all, don't slip on Sheen's jewelry. Look at that now. I'm sorry, my camera got blurry. Wouldn't get into focus the way I wanted it to. But this came with 4 pieces. It came with a bracelet. It came with a ring, earrings, and the necklace. And they are too cute. Now, typically, I would not put all this on together because to me, it's just overkill. But you got your options. You can wear your ring and your bracelet. You can wear your necklace and your earrings. You can just mix it up however you want to and whatever's on your personality. But let me see if I can give y'all a better shot. There we go. Because, honey, that camera was showing out. But see how cute that is? How odd that is? It's a statement piece, y'all. That's a full vibe right there. So don't sleep on Sheen's jewelry because they got you. And if you ain't a person that can figure out your sets, they come in sets already for you. Very affordable. Now, y'all, this piece, I don't know what made me go with green in the middle of the winter, because down here in Georgia, baby, it's cold. Now, it ain't cold, but it's still cold. And I thought, ooh, this ain't going to work out for me. But I got quite surprised, y'all. Now, this dress, I thought was really cute after I finally tried it on. Look at that fit, y'all. It has full spandex. It stretches. Yeah, I ain't smoothed out because I didn't have my Spanx on again. But anyway, don't worry about that part. Just look at the dress. The dress is really, really cute. Kind of fit and flare. It stretches. It's forgiving. It shaped my breast well because some of these just don't fall right and, you know, up in that area. I really don't like anything that cuts me off mid-drift. But once I put my Spanx on and some heels, baby, we gonna keep this one. Sandal heels, going to cookout, party, baby shower, whatever. We gonna make her work, y'all. So, yeah, she fits, she forms, she gives you those curves, and I really, really like her. So, overall, I kept all these pieces. I hope this helps you. Love you. I'll see y'all in the next video.